Bonnie, did something happen with your friends? Can you show me? Oh, sweetie. I love you, Bonnie, so much. I wouldn't change a single thing about you. And I think a real friend would feel the same.
I like your boots.
I really like your socks.
Do you like my beard, madame?
Very impressive, m'lady.
Yes, I'm 1 billion years old. That's why it's so glorious.